In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep text in a box in Google Sheets. If you've ever typed or pasted a long line of text into a spreadsheet and noticed it spilling over into the next cell, this quick setting will help keep everything neat and readable. Wrapping text makes the content stay visually inside the cell while expanding onto multiple lines when needed. This is especially useful for notes, labels, descriptions, or any cell that contains more text than the column width can display. To get started, open your Google Sheets document and find the cell that contains the text you want to adjust. If you only need to fix one cell, simply click on that cell to select it. If you want the same formatting applied to several cells at once, click and drag to highlight the full range. Taking a moment to select the correct area first is important, because the wrapping setting will apply only to the cells you have selected. Once your cell or range is selected, move your attention to the top toolbar. Look for the text wrapping icon. It appears as an arrow positioned between two vertical lines. If you are not familiar with the icon, you can hover over it and Google Sheets will usually display its name, which can help confirm you found the right tool. Click that text wrapping icon to open the available wrapping options. You'll see a few different choices, and the one you want here is Wrap. This is the middle icon, and it typically shows lines stacked vertically. Select Wrap to apply it to your chosen cell or cells. As soon as you click it, the text will stay contained within each cell instead of stretching across neighboring cells. If the text is long, the row height may automatically expand so all of the content becomes visible. This makes your spreadsheet cleaner and much easier to read without changing the actual text itself. If needed, you can also combine this with adjusting the column width later for an even better layout. But the key step for keeping text inside the box is using the wrap option. That's all there is to it. It's a simple formatting change, but it can make a big difference in how organized your sheet looks. Thanks for watching.